Good morning. Happy Sunday. Today is the 8th. A new adventure starts today, a new job, a new place of employment. So, just like y'all been vlogging with me a little bit lately, let's do it. Let's see what it's like. So, I think we are such creatures of habit. Y'all, change sometimes can be good, but we don't allow ourselves to see the change. I'm like, the smallest things we don't even think about, right? Like the grocery store you go to. You might not want to go to another one because you know everything in that particular store. So that's kind of my scenario with Victoria's Secret. Pre-COVID, the numbers for VS just wasn't doing well. Now our store I thought did relatively fine. Like we would make our numbers. We had some good days, we had bad days. We had more good than bad. Post COVID, our store was one of the ones that got shut down. So now what? What happens next? Nothing. It leaves us without a job, especially your hourly employees. Can you go to another Victoria's Secret? Maybe, if they have room for you. So operating on limited hours, they have to rotate their regular employees back in the fold before they call you. So if you got called back, it could have been based on performance at your last store. Um, But in my opinion, y'all, a lot of people just did not come back. Some people wanted to stay out longer. Some people wanted to stay out longer and collect their unemployment. And the misconception about that too, I just had to get on Instagram with that. A lot of people think that the unemployment people were balling. When in actuality, I worked for two companies and we were furloughed for a long time. When you're furloughed like that, they haven't released you, so you're technically not unemployed. But me being me, I filed my paperwork early anyway. But enough about that. So this now puts me at a Victoria's Secret across town. The least amount of time I got to work was 25 minutes, the most 35. And understand too, I'm no stranger to a commute. But when you've been spoiled working 5 minutes from home, it's just like, okay, 35 minutes across town. Gotta gas up twice a week. Y'all know I'm a budget nista. So long story short, the L brand still owns Bath and Body Works. So I was able to transfer to the Bath and Body Works in the same mall that I was working, which is Carolina Mall. So now I'm back around the corner from the house. Now there's pros and cons with both, but I'll probably close that out on the end of this vlog. I mean, the number one pro is going to be being close to home. The con for me is what they have to wear to work. Y'all know I love my pink gear, and that was just so me. But nonetheless, I'm gonna make it do what it do, and I have to put my adult pants on too because this move is going to be for the better. Now, in my opinion, and number wise, in the company, Bath and Body Works does better as a whole. Me wanting to buy a home, I'm not saying Victoria's Secret is going out of business, but to go on my application for my home, my place of employment, will be Bath and Body Works. When I move to Texas, can I take that job with me? Yes, I can. That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing about it. I really feel like Bath and Body Works just got longevity over Victoria's Secret, and it's easier. The products sell themselves. I gotta put my shirt on. This is what my makeup is looking like. It's pretty simple these days. I just spot concealed because we wear a mask. Normally, I don't even wear this underneath, but being that Bath and Body Works colors is red, white, and blue, I just wanted to blend in a little bit, although nobody's gonna see it. Spot conceal, a little bit of powder. A little bit of, I dabbed the brush in the blush and the highlight at the same time, and let's just rock with it. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. So y'all, my first day at Bath and Body, this is what their back room looked like. It is hella small. I'm thinking that's a bathroom over there, but I don't see a designated break room. Don't know, but I think I'm gonna like it. Like I said, I shop here. Don't know why I'm nervous to work here, but I shop here. We're gonna make the best of it. first day going good. Like, I don't know why I was nervous. I shouldn't be nervous. Like, I shop here a lot. So the man who was training me, he's telling me this, that, and other, and this the way the coupons work, and this, that, and other. And he couldn't really see my face because I had the mask on, but underneath I'm like, and he said, you don't seem too intrigued. I was like, I mean, I'm transferring. I'm not brand new to the system, and I'm a shopper. These things I know, sir. But you have to be a good sport about things. I just sat and listened with my mask, and I'm like, okay, okay. Ready to get off, eat dinner, and end the vlog. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a Oh, they're regular. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a Ooh, what a day. Y'all, I came home, heat up some turkey wings, sat down, eat. I worked a long day. I went in at 1, from 1 to 8, only with an iced coffee. I was hungry. Stopped by a couple of stores, as y'all can see, prior to me ending this. And I'm just going to end this real quick because I'm tired. I got to be to work at 9 a.m. And I want to thank y'all for rocking as always. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Okay, work day is over. Really, it wasn't that bad. It's just that damn commute. But I ordered dinner from Brick's Wood Oven Pizza down the street.